English for Libya, Primary 5 by Hana Abdsalam. Hello, how are you today? Fine, thank you, all of you. Hello, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Okay, now we are going to play a game. The name of game is Guess Game. Guess Game. You need to think, and we call this game, it is Guess Game. So, ready to play it? What we have in front of us? We have a bag. It is a bag. So, my question now, what is it in the bag? Can you tell me what is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Okay, who can tell me? Can you guess what is it in the bag? Mohammed? Excellent! Ruler! What's this? It is a ruler. So there is a ruler in the bag. Okay, we have the same question again. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Hat! Excellent, Rojain. It is a hat. It is a hat. So what is it? All the class. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Okay, what's this? Can you answer it, Rahaf? Ball. Excellent. It is a ball. It is a ball. So there is a ruler. There is a hat. There is a ball. Okay, what is it in the bag? Again, what is it in the bag? What's this? Okay, Ayanur. Pencil case. Good girl. It is a pencil case. Okay, what is it in the bag? Do we have something else? What is it in the bag? Okay, who can tell me what's this? It's a pencil sharpener. It's a pencil sharpener. Excellent. Good boys and good girls. So today we play a game. We call this game Guess Game. What is it in the bag? So there is a ruler. There is a hat. There is a ball. There is a pencil case, and there is a pencil sharpener. So our lesson today, what's the difference? What is the difference? Lesson 4 in Unit 1, what's the difference? Now we need your book and open it please on page 14 and 15. Okay, so these are the two pages, page 14 and page 15, and the title of our lesson is, who can read it? What's the difference? What's the difference? Okay, so now we are going to start with number 1. What we have in number 1? Okay, ready? Number 1, read and tick or cross. So we have a tick and we have a cross. But before that, we are going to read. Okay, so what is it in my school bag? What is it in my school bag? What is it in my school bag? Here, Yusuf asks you question. Okay, it's like a guess game. Okay, so guess please. Guess it. Read what we have a list and try to take if it is yes or it is cross if it is no. Ready? So in my bag, what do you think? What is it in my bag? What is it in my bag? There is a rubber and pencil. What do you think? Yes or no? Rubber and pencil. Okay, what about There are some books. There are some books. What are you going to write? Yes or no? Muhammad, what do you think? Are there some books? Are there any books or some books in Yusuf's bag? If it is yes, write tick here. If you don't think so, you write a cross. Okay, there is some paper. Yes or no? There is some paper. Yes or no? What do you think? We don't know. Muhammad, what do you think? No. Excellent. Good boy. No. There is a ruler. There is a ruler. Okay, this is a ruler. This is a ruler. So we have a rubber, we have a paper, we have a ruler, and we have some books. Okay, what about number 5? There is a notebook. There is a notebook. Okay, what are they? They are notebooks. So there is a notebook. What do you think? What do you think? Yes or no? Okay, there is a pencil sharpener. There is a pencil sharpener. Okay, this is a pencil sharpener. There are some crayons. This is the crayons. So we have here a rubber, pencil, some books, some papers, ruler, notebook, pencil sharpener, and crayon. If you think there is or there are any of them, just write tick. If you think no, so you write cross. So the first one, who can read? There is a rubber and a pencil. Right. Muhammad, what did you write? Yes. Rahaf. No. Okay. There are some books. There are some books. We don't know. This is the bag. So we are guess. Just try to guess. There are some books. What do you think? Okay. What about some papers? Rujain, what did you write? Yes or no? About some papers? No. Good girl. There is a ruler. Yes. Okay. There is a notebook. Yes. There is a pencil sharpener. Yes. Okay. There are some crayons. No. Okay. Let us check. Now we go to Lena's bag. Okay, now we are going to speak about Lena's bag. We still guess if we have this thing in Lena's bag or not. So this is the bag. So now we are going to explain what we have here in this list. So can we start now? There is a notebook. There is a notebook. Can you tell me a notebook? Okay, this is a notebook. There are some sweets. There are some sweets. Okay, sweets. There is a pencil case. Can you show me pencil case? Excellent. This is a pencil case. There is a ruler. Where is the ruler? Where is the ruler? Excellent. This is a ruler. There are some pens. Excellent, Muhammad. These are pens. There is a pencil sharpener. Rujain, excellent. This is a pencil sharpener. There are some markers. Some markers like my marks like this. Okay, so can we read them again? A notebook. A notebook. So this is Lena's bag. This is Lena's bag. And now we are going to explain the list here. Notebook, notebook, sweets, 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 pencil case, ruler, 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 pens, 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 pencil sharpener, and markers, markers, markers. So now we are going to answer. Number 1, there is a notebook. So again, what is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? Is there a notebook? Muhammad? Yes. Okay, what about you, Rujain? What did you write? No? Okay, the second question. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? All of you with me, okay? What is it in Lena's bag? Are there some sweets? Sweets? Rahaf? Yes? Ainur? No. Okay. Number 3. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? A pencil case. A pencil case. What do you think? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Write it in your book, please. Roller. Roller. Is there a roller? Yes? No? Okay. Are there some pens? No? Or yes? Is there a pencil sharpener? Where? In Lena's bag. Yes. Okay. What about markers? No? Are there some markers in Lena's bag? No. Okay. Let us check now.
Listen, are you correct?
What's in my school bag? Well, there are some books, and there's a rubber, and a pencil. There are some crayons, and there's a pencil case. There is a ruler, and there are some pens.
What's in my school bag? What did you guess? There's a notebook and there are some sweets. There is a pencil case and a ruler and there are some crayons. There's a pencil sharpener in my bag and there are some books.
Okay, so now we are going to answer this number again. Now we will start with Lena's bag. And we have there is and there are. Why I write here there is and there are? Because with one thing we use there is and with more than one we use there are. Do you still remember our question? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? Do you still remember? Okay, there is a notebook. What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? Can you tell me? What's this, Roger? It is a pencil case. What is it in Lena's bag? Okay, a ruler. What is it in Lena's bag? Okay, a pencil sharpener. So now we can use with them there is. Why we use with them there is? Because only one notebook. So we can say there is a notebook. There is a notebook. There is a pencil case. There is a ruler and there is a pencil sharpener. Ready now? So now we are going to ask a question, but we don't have there are because we don't have more than one. So all of them one, and one. So we use there is. So what's the question? What is it in the bag? Can all of you say this question? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Muhammad, there is a notebook. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? There is a pencil case. What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? There is a ruler. Last one. What is it in the bag? What is it in Lena's bag? There is a pencil sharpener. So a notebook, a pencil case, a ruler, and a pencil sharpener. Now we are going to Yusuf's bag. What's the question? All of you, can you say it? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in Yusuf's bag? Okay, there is a rubber and there is a pencil. What is it in Yusuf's bag? There is a ruler. Okay, what we say here? There is a crayons. No, there are crayons. Why there are? Because can you count them? 1, 2. So we don't say there is. We say there are because 2. So there are 2 crayons. There are some crayons. What else? Okay, some books. So what we write here? There are some books. So again the question. What is it in Yusuf's bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? What is it in Yusuf's bag? Excellent. There is a rubber. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Excellent. There is a pencil. All of you, what is it in the bag? What is it in a bag? There is a ruler. Okay. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? Some crayons. There are some crayons. The last one. What is it in the bag? What is it in the bag? There are some books. Now, turn to page 15 in your book, and we have here number 3. What we have in number 3? Are they the same? So we have here 3 pictures, and we have 2 things in each picture. We have 4 pictures, and we have a question, are they the same? We need to write tick if it's yes, or cross if it is no. Now we are going to start with picture number 1. Look at these. What are they? They are ruler. They are ruler. My question now, are they the same? Are they the same? Can you see? This one is long, but this one is short. So my question, are they the same? No. So we need here to cross. No. We go now to picture number 2. What are these? Trainers. So we have 2 trainers here. Are they the same? Yes? Okay, no, of course no. Why it's not the same? Or why are they not the same? Because this one is red and this one yellow and this one big. Can you see it? It's big and this one is small. So are they the same? No. We can go now to picture number 3. Okay, we have a teacher and Lena. So Lena said, I am 8. How old is Lena? 8. How old is teacher? 40. So are they the same age? Are they the same? No. The last picture. Okay, Kareem. This is Kareem. Look at Kareem and look at this boy. So, are they the same? Kareem is 146 centimeter and this boy is 138 centimeter. His name is Tariq. So, are they the same? No. So, all the pictures are not the same. So, we have here no. Why not? Because they are not the same. Okay, number 4. Choose words for each picture. So we need now to look at the words in the box. We need to look at the words in the box. Where's the word now? Okay, These are the words. We need to look at them. We need to read them and look at them. Then choose 2 words from the box to match each picture above. So now we are going to read the words. Repeat after me, please. Long, long, long. Big, big, big. Tall, tall, tall. Short, 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 short. Old, old, old. Small, small, small. Young, young, young. Okay, we will start with the first picture. So, picture number 1, we have 2 words. Long. Why long? Because this ruler is long. So it is long, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Excellent. So what's this? Long ruler. What about this? Short. Are they the same? No, because this ruler is long and this ruler is short. Second picture. Second picture, what we have? Trainers. What about this trainer? It is big. And this one, small. So we write big and we write small. Again, long, long, short, short, long, long, short, short, big, big, small, small, big, big, small, small. Okay, picture number 3. We have a teacher and we have Lena. Teacher is 40, Lena is 8. So what we are going to write here? We write old, old, young, young, old, young, old, young. The last picture, what we have in it? We have Karim and we have Tariq. Karim is 146 centimeter and Tariq is 138 centimeters. So Karim is tall, Tariq is short. So we have here long, long, short, short, big, big, small, small, old, old, young, young, tall, tall, short, short. Now I say a word and you say another one. Long, short. Excellent. Again, long, short, long, short. Rujain, Muhammad. So long, short, long, short. This one, big, big, small. Excellent. Big, small, old, young, old, young, tall, short, tall, short. Now boys and girls. Boys say the first 4 and girls say the last 4. So now, can you start Muhammad and Rujain as example? Say the first word, Muhammad, long. So what about you, Rujain? Short. All the class. All of you. Boys and girls, short. So long, short. Now big, small. Boys, girls. Big, small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay, now boys old, girls young. Okay, the last one, boys tall and the girls short. Tall, short, tall, short. Now I say the word and you say the another word. So we have long, excellent, short, big, small, excellent, old, young, tall, short, excellent. So now we are going to listen and check.
Listen, check, and say the words.
Long, short,
Big, small,
old, young,
tall, short. Listen, check.
Okay, so now open your activity book on page 10. So we need now page 10. What we have here on page 10? So we need today, we are going to study page 10 and page 11 from our activity book. So we will start with page 10 and number 1. Okay, so now number 1, look and think about the rules. So let's check. Do you still remember about the rule? We need to look and check. Now, about rule, can we read these two words? Do not, don't, do not, don't, do not, don't. So here, we can see here apostrophe here. It is possessive S, and we can write it when we are going to make what? We're going to make contractions. So do not, it is long form. Do not. So, and this one, it is short form. So I say, I do not stand on the table, or you do not stand on the table. But if I use a short form, I say I don't stand on the table. So now we are going to go to number 2. What we have in number 2? What about these? Can you write the short word? So we are going to write the short forms here. We are going to write like a girl here. We are going to write. Can you see here? I am. We drop a, and we write apostrophe there. Can you see it? Okay. So just becoming I am. Can we go now number 2? Who can write it? Okay. What we can do? He is, his. He is, his. Excellent. So can you see? He is, his. He is, his. What about she is? Who can answer it? She is, she's. Can you say? So here we have apostrophe here, and we write S, apostrophe, and we write S. How we read this one? He is. He is. What about this one? His. His. It is the short form. His. His. What about this? She is. What the short form here? She's. Okay, number 4. Muhammad, can you write it on the board? Okay. Excellent. Good boy. It's. Okay, number 5. It is not. It is not. It is not. What's the short form? Rahaf, can you try? Okay, good girl. It isn't. It isn't. It isn't. It is not. It is not. It isn't. It isn't. Okay. What about he cannot? He cannot drive a car. He cannot drive a car. So what's the short form? Like this. He can't. Excellent. There is. Do you still remember? What is it in Lena's bag? What is it in the bag? So there is. When we have only one thing, we say there is. So there is. How can we make it short form? There's. Excellent. There's. Now try to answer these two and write it in your activity book. Write them, number 8 and 9, in your activity book. Who's ready? Can you show me? Excellent. It's good. Yes. What about number 9? Yes. So here there is not, there isn't. What is what's? What is what's? So he is his. He is his. She is she's. It is its. It is its. It is not, it isn't. He cannot, he can't. There is, there is. There is not, there isn't. What is what's? Okay, now number 3. Now you are going to turn to the bottom activity on page 10 in your activity book. Now we are going to work and to guess what is it in your bag. So I'm going now to ask you some question. Is there? Can I do the first one as example? Is there a rubber in your bag? So where is your bag? Can you put your bag in front of you? And I'm going to ask you some question about your bag. Ready? So the first question, is there a rubber in your bag? Yes? Okay, so how are you going to answer me? Yes, there is. Like this one. Yes, there is. So, is there a rubber in your bag? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Okay, I have a question now. Is there a ruler in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, what about pencil? Can you repeat with me the question? Is there a pencil in your bag? Is there a pencil in your bag? Yes, there is, Rujain. Okay, what about you, Ayanur? No, there isn't. Okay, again. Is there a rubber in your bag? Yes, there is. Show me. Where's the rubber? Excellent. Is there a ruler in your bag? Yes, there is. Show me. Okay. Is there a pencil in your bag? Yes, there is. What about you? No, there isn't. Okay, I have another question now. Okay, we don't say here is there. What we say, are there? Are there any crayons in your bag? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. So now I'm going to this question. Are there any? Are there any? Why I said are there? Because we have two here. So we said, are there any? Are there any? Are there any crayons in your bag? Yes, there are. Or no, they aren't. So what's your question? What's your answer? No, there aren't. Okay. So now the rule and the question. The first question. Is there? Is there? Is there a rubber? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a rubber in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What about ruler? Who can ask a question about ruler? Muhammad? Is there a ruler in your bag? Excellent, Muhammad. Rujain? Yes, there is. Rahaf? No, there isn't. Okay, now we have another one. So, here, is there a rubber in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What's the second question? Okay, who can give me a question about ruler? Is there a ruler in your bag? Yes, there are. No, sorry. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, what about pencil? Who can give me a question about pencil? Is there a pencil in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, another question now. Are there Are there any crayons in your bag? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. So the question again, are there any crayons in your bag? Yes, there are. No, they aren't. So we have is there? One is there. One is there. One is there. But here we have two, so the question starts with are. Are there? Are there? And the answer yes or no. Yes or no. So is there a rubber in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a ruler in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a pencil in your bag? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. What about a crayon? Are there crayons in your bag? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. So now we are going to number 4. What we have in number 4? We have words. Do you still remember long, young, big, short, small, old, short, tall. So now we have the first picture. What's this? It is a fish. And this is another fish. So what we can write here? Okay, what we can say about the fish? The first fish is big. And number 2 is small. Excellent. Now, number 2. What's this? Okay, so what we can write here? Number 1 is, it's like Kareem and Tariq. Number 1 is short. What about number 2? Long. Sorry, tall. Short and tall. What about number 3? Okay, look at this girl. She has what? Long hair. And this girl, short hair. So what we are going to write here? Number 1, long, and number 2, short. We go now to the last picture. Okay, we have a man and a woman. So what about them? Number 1, young. Number 2, old. So repeat after me. Big, big, big. Small, small. Big, small. Big, small. Short, tall. Short, tall. Short, tall. Long, short. Long, short. Long hair. Short hair. Young, young. Old, old. Young, old. Okay, so now we are going to number 5. What we have in number 5? We are going to write examples about these adjectives. So, number 1, big. Big what? What's this? It is a ball. So we can say a big ball. A big ball. Long. Give me example of long. Long what? Roller. Excellent. So, long roller. Long roller. Okay, old. Old what? Old women. Good. Old women. What about this one? Tall. A tall. A tall what? A tall giraffe. Giraffe is a tall animal. So, a tall giraffe. Okay. Small. Small what? Small hat. It's very small. Okay, small hat. Short. Short what? Short pencil. Short pencil. Young. Young man or young boy. Young man. the last one short. Short tree. So we have here a big ball, a long ruler, an old woman, a tall giraffe, a small hat, a short pencil, a young boy, a short tree. So now we are going to listen and check our answers.
Listen. Here are some examples.
A big house. A big school.
A small bag. A small car.
A long scarf. A long road.
A short pencil. A short tail.
An old dress. An old book.
A young cat. A young girl.
A tall tree. A tall man.
A short woman. A short giraffe.
Okay, now time to say goodbye.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye.